For many women, their monthly period brings on debilitating pain and cramps. But research is yet to crack the code for convenient medication or therapy for the pain. For women in the workforce who suffer from severe dysmenorrhea, the excruciating pain poses an all-important question. Is mandatory menstrual leave fair? A petition for mandatory leave in the Supreme Court has sparked a debate over the adverse impact of menstrual leave on women's inclusion in the workforce. The Apex Court has stated that mandating menstrual leave for women could result in their exclusion from the workforce, which would be counterproductive. Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud said, and I quote, "Mandating such leaves will lead to women being shunned from the workforce. We do not want that what we try to do to protect women can act to their disadvantage." In fact, at this point, only Bihar and Kerala have provisions for menstrual leave in India. Bihar offers a 2-day leave policy for women employees, while Kerala provides 3-day leave for female students. While the Apex Court refused to consider the plea seeking menstrual leave for female employees, it crucially instructed the central government to engage in discussions with all relevant stakeholders and states to formulate a model policy on the matter. The court highlighted that this policy decision falls under the purview of the central and state governments. This is not the first time the Supreme Court has taken such a stance. In February, the court had similarly refused to entertain a PIL that sought to compel all states to establish rules to grant menstrual pain leave to female students and working women at their respective workplaces. The court had observed that this issue falls within the policy domain of the government. The court made it clear that the consultation process of the centre will not come in the way of states if they take any steps in this regard. The bench was considering a plea urging it to direct the centre and the state governments and union territories to implement policies for the grant of menstrual leave to women under the Maternity Benefit Act 1961. India Inc. isn't holding its breath for a government directive, though. Several well-known companies, including food aggregator platforms Swiggy and Zomato, have made headlines in recent years after introducing period leaves for relevant employees. More recently, in May, the Sikkim High Court Registry also introduced a menstrual leave policy for women employees. Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC-TV18, now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.